Yeah, yeah, you can present.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akhila. My presentation about IKEA company. Here are the contents. Next slide, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Here are the contents: introduction about founder, explanation of logo, IKEA products, IKEA services, awards, employee data, why IKEA, and conclusion. Next, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Akhil.
It is about introduction. IKEA is it is a held international home product company that designs and sells ready to assemble furniture such as beds and desks, appliances and home accessories. This is the world's largest furniture retailer. It was founded in 1943 by 19 years old Ingvar Kamprad in Sweden. From being a teeny Swedish business selling through a mail orders catalogs, it has been become one of the most well-known home furniture brands in the world. Uh, he is the founder of IKEA company. Next slide, sir.
Yeah, I am doing.
He is the founder of IKEA company, Ingvar Kamprad. He's a Swedish business magnate best known for founding IKEA, a multinational retailer company specialized in furniture. He lived in Switzerland from 1976 to 2014. He's born in 30th March
Not
1926.
required. This
Yes.
small details not required. May main
Okay, sir.
bullet points you speak. Okay.
Okay, sir. Next, sir.
Yeah.
It is a logo of IKEA company. The meaning of IKEA logo is represent the trust and openness, while yellow duplicates the happiness, optimism, and imagination. IKEA also shared those colors with the national flag of its home country, Sweden. He's the CEO. Next slide, sir.
1 second. I will share a small information. See here, why the R is written here? Anybody knows?
No, sir.
This is a registered company. See, if some company makes a good business, they made a reputation. Some other company should not copy the same logo, na?
Sir.
Who is original, who is duplicate, you may not be knowing, na?
Yes, sir.
In our any place business, if one company starts in a good name, they are doing in a good business. Some other company also will copy their logo, na?
Sir.
They will say I am also from the same this thing only, like that they will say. So they make registration, nobody can't use this except IKEA. If they use,
Okay.
then the IKEA will sue them to the court. Like this, lot of companies, they make their logos and they get registered with the government. Okay.
Okay, sir. He's the CEO of IKEA company. Name is Jesper Bodin. Next slide, sir.
Hmm.
These are the products of IKEA company, like furnitures, beds and mattresses, storage and organizations, kitchen appliances, textile, decorations, lighting, home electronics, bathroom products, plots and plants, and many more. Next, it is about furniture. Furniture includes sofas and armchairs and chaise longues, beds, wardrobes, tables and desks, chairs, TV, media furnitures, and all. Next, about beds and mattresses. This includes bed, mattresses, bedding, underbed storages, bedside tables, bed slots, headboards, etc. Next, about storages and organizations. This includes wardrobes, TV and media furnitures, bookcases and shelving units, cabinets and cupboards, and many more. Next, about kitchen and appliances. This includes method kitchen cabinets and fonts, worktops, kitchen appliances, kitchen lightnings, kitchen island and trolleys, wall storage, pantry, unit kitchens, etc. Next, about textiles, curtains and blinds, art textiles, table lines, outdoor cushions, blankets and throws. Next, about decoration. This decoration includes plants and flowers, vases and bowls, clocks, decorative accessories, home fragrance, notice boards, frameworks and pictures, mirrors, etc. Next about lighting, LED light, bulbs, decorative lighting, lamps, smart lighting, integrated lighting, outdoor lighting. Next about home electronics, this includes cables and chargers and appliances, mobile and table accessories, smart home and speakers. Next about bathroom products, this includes like bathroom textiles, bathroom cabinets, bathroom accessories, bathroom sinks, bathroom taps, showers, and etc. Next about pots and plants, flower pots and plants, plants and flowers, plant stands and movers, watering cans, growing. They provide a new like accessories and all. These are the about next about IKEA services. IKEA provides picking and delivery services. If you like helping in picking and delivery, they will provide a delivery services also, transport service. If you need a way to get your home, furnishing home, you can hire to deliver it for you. You can contact them and get a service. Next about assembling service. If you want helping assembling your furnitures, they can help you through it. Home furnishing, if you are refurnishing your home, interior designing consultants can provide a for professional advice. Next about installation service, if you need help in installation in your kitchen, these services can also be provided. Next about kitchen planning services can be provided by IKEA services. Next about awards, IKEA got many more awards like Red Dot Award in 2019 for product design. Next about next in 2018 Good Design Award for innovative and cutting edge design. Good design is one of the best, oldest, most prestigious and well recognized programs for design excellence worldwide. IKEA awarded with 4 Good Design Award for the delicate sofa platforms. IKEA temporarily shelter design for refugees has been named the 2016 for David Bowles Find Album and Robotic Surgeon. This is about the employee data, how the progress in employing employees in year by year. It is a great place to work. Why IKEA? Shopkeepers love IKEA because of how affordable its furniture. IKEA products are product cost is of half of the competitors. There are the good design to attract many people. Uh, Next conclusion, IKEA company is considered as one of the leading retail company across the world. It has been established modern furnishing items which are of high quality and low prices. Additionally, IKEA is the biggest category killer in the world. There is no company to dare with them. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. In India, where are IKEA showrooms are there?
In
You have done a research report. You don't, you know where the IKEA showrooms are available, which city? You know or you don't know? It is in
Hello.
Hyderabad. Now in Bangalore also under
Hyderabad,
construction. Hyderabad already
Bangalore, sir.
opened.
Yes.
It is working, and in Bangalore also they are opening.
In Rangareddy, sir.
Yeah, in
In Telangana, Rangareddy.
yeah. Here in Bangalore, nearby Nagasandra station, very close to that, they are opening a big showroom for that.
Yes, sir.
Very good report. Next, who is coming?
Thank you, sir.